What happens if you eat your own hair? Sounds weird, right? But for some people, it's a real condition called Rapunzel syndrome. When you swallow hair, your body can't digest it. So it starts piling up in your stomach, forming a hairball. That ball gets bigger and causes pain, vomiting, even blockages. Doctors have actually removed hairballs as long as 1 meter from the stomach. It's linked to conditions like anxiety and OCD. And with help, people can recover. So, yeah, eating your own hair? Not just a bad habit, a serious warning sign. YTRV Film Creation.